No one expects to have a spinal cord injury, but it can happen to anybody. Back in September 2018, I had a car accident.
Shauna had sustained incomplete paraplegia, which is a life-changing injury.
It was really hard to know that your child was at home, having to go to school and live everyday life without his mum. Being told that you'll never walk again is a really hard pill to swallow.
When I first met Shauna, our motivation that got her going in the hospital was the fact that she could get back home to her son and be a mum again.
Shauna's a really positive, inspirational person. She is still a mother to a son. She also had another baby, Vienna.
I would have never imagined in 2018 when the accident happened that I'd be doing the things that I do now. We just enjoy family life together. You can still have a life after spinal cord injury.